Hello friends, welcome to Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful letter D. For this, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter and a needle. This letter D is very easy to do and it is a beginner friendly project. To do this letter D, we want to know the basic stitches like slip knot, chain, double crochet and slip stitch. We will do them in two pieces and then we will join them together using slip stitch to form like this beautiful alphabet letter D. So now let's see how to do them. To do the alphabet letter D, you are going to start with a slip knot. Do 43 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. You are going to do 43 chain. After doing 43 chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the second chain from the hook. You are going to do a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. So likewise, you are going to do double crochet in each stitch for 12 stitches. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, you are going to do 5 double crochet together. That is yarn over, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Next, yarn over, insert the hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. So you are going to join 5 stitches into a single stitch. You are going to do for 3 more times. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, yarn over, pull through all the loops. It looks like this. Next, do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. Next, you are going to do 2 double crochet together. You are going to do this for 3 more times. Totally, you should have done for 4 times. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. Next, 2 double crochet together you are going to do for 4 times. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. It looks like this. Next, do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Extend the yarn little bit for weaving and snip off this yarn. So next, you are going to weave them to the main chain here like this. D looks like this. By following the same pattern, you are going to do one more piece. So now we are ready with the 2 pieces. So now let's see how to join them together. Place one above the other. So you are going to join both the sides using slip stitch. Through, chain 1, insert the hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops. You'll insert this first loop through the second loop. This is what we say it as slip stitch. Next stitch, you are going to do a slip stitch by joining both the pieces together. Next stitch, slip stitch. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to join them around till you reach this end. After doing them, it looks like this. Same way how we did the outside, you are going to do this inner side. So turn your work here, insert the hook here, take the yarn, pull through, chain 1 and do a slip stitch in the same stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch. Next stitch, slip stitch. So it looks like this. Likewise, you are going to do slip stitch around till you reach this end. After doing them, the alphabet letter D looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.